Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. If you are using Windows 11, there's a brand new preview update KB5067036 available right now. In this quick video, I will show you what this update includes, what preview really means, how to install it, and whether you should get it now or wait for the public rollout. So, first, let's see what exactly is KB5067036. This is a non-security preview cumulative update for Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2. For version 24H2, it upgrades your build to 26100-7019 and for 25H2, it upgrades to 26200-7019. Now let's have a look what's new in this update. There is a new redesigned start menu, a cleaner layout that supports list or grid views and adapts to screen size. The File Explorer also adds a new Ask Copilot shortcut that makes it easier to use AI-powered help directly inside the Explorer. You will also notice a new battery icon on the lock screen and the taskbar for better clarity about charging and the battery health. Microsoft also introduces a new administrator protection feature. It helps protect admin accounts from malicious elevation attempts. Now, what does the preview really mean here? It means that this update is optional and not automatically get installed. You will see a button saying download and install, and that's your choice. It also means that not all the features appear instantly after the installation. Microsoft often uses staged rollout or feature control, so your PC might get the build number now, but some new UI elements may achieve later on. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Microsoft rolled these out gradually. You can either wait for a few days or join Window Insider program release preview channel to get it early. And the other option is you can also go to Microsoft Catalog and download and install this update manually. So the question is, should you install KB5067036 right now? If you love getting the latest Windows feature early or you are testing on a VM or a secondary PC, then yes, go for it. But if you prefer stability, it's completely fine to skip it and wait for the next page Tuesday update. The security updates will still reach you even if you don't install this one. So that's the latest Windows 11 preview update KB5067036. A look at upcoming features like new start menu, Copilot shortcut, and UI updates. Remember, preview updates are optional and feature rollout are gradual. So don't worry if your PC looks the same right after installing. I'll follow up with a new video once the rollout completes and all features go live. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and tell me in the comment whether you got this update yet and also if you are seeing the new feature like start menu. Thanks for watching ITPK and I will see you in the next one.